Say hi.
Mimi.
Say hi.
Hey, Mimi.
It's Memorial Day. We had a lot of fun already. We played outside and did some hard work around Mimi's house. And we were by Grandma and Grandpa Chagardis's. And we hung out with them, right? And now Daddy and Zekrom are sitting outside in the backyard waiting for the rain. The clouds should be getting dark, right? Where's the rain, Zekrom? Where's... I know it's coming. Hear the thunder? It's coming. Oh no. Are we gonna get rained on?
Raining.
Rain, yeah, rain. You feel the rain? I think it's coming. I was telling him we used to have a fort right here. And Batman, Uncle Matthew, and I would all huddle in our fort when it rained. Or underneath the fort, because our fort didn't really have a roof, but you know. It's pretty cool. You feel the rain yet? Mommy? What does Mommy want?
My daddy.
Yeah, you're with Daddy. Tell her. Oh, I think the rain's coming. The rain's coming. Are you excited? Say rain. Say rain. Yeah, you feel it? It's starting to rain a little bit. Rain.
Mommy.
No need, Mommy. We're just sitting there relaxing, waiting in the rain. You want to sit in Daddy's lap? You want to sit with Daddy? No? Can I sit with you? Can Daddy sit with you? Zekrom, my eyes are so big and blue. What are you staring at?
Shoe.
Shoe?
No.
Shoe. Probably keep your shoes on. Did you put your shoe back on? Because we're going to have to run inside when it starts to rain. Can you hold the camera?
Oh.
Yeah. You're not looking at anything though. Let me see. Ugh.